Alrighty, we are trading December 12th. We're 15 times in this. This is the 1 minute chart, and this is what the 950 looks like. So there's significantly less trades, and look how big those bars are compared to, like, those lines represent 2 ticks. So it's absolutely insane when compared to this. I'm sorry, this. So even this chart is just like completely off. All right, we're gonna switch to the 400 tick chart. Let's just see how things go. Looks like we actually had a couple of trades in the 7 a.m. And maybe just this one, swing high first entry, second entry, first opportunity to enter it. I don't know if it works out. Could have, maybe not. But I think our scalps are pretty reasonable size even for this specific day. That's the 1 minute, and I have it also on my other screen over here, but you can't see that one. All right, let's see how this trading day goes. It's December 11th. It's a Friday. It's December, so very low volume. A lot of traders are on vacation. So yeah, yeah, guys. 8:30 hit, and now we're just skyrocketing. All right, people are gonna start shorting this thing because, as you can see right there, people are gonna pick that top and try to push the market back into the other direction. All right, we have a second entry here, which I actually think I want to take. No, let's sell here now on an obvious. The reason being is because now, yep, and it kind of left without us. Now just turn into a spike. People are going to pick the bottom of this spike here. You can imagine a ton of people picking the bottom of this spike. The 1 minute chart is absolutely insane. This tick chart just makes it a little bit more tradable. Just a tad. And so a little off, but we got the scalp anyway. People were picking that bottom. This is what the 1 minute chart looks like. As you can see, that is just insane. But yeah, pretty good trade. Decent trade. Swing high first entry, second entry, kind of a cheap one, but we take those. The reason I say cheap is because that could have happened in any direction. It almost feels like we got lucky, just based on the signal bars, you know. Yeah. Then yeah. All right, now prices got this trend going here, but I think people might be picking bottoms here. It's tough to say. The 1 minute chart is absolutely insane. I don't know. I can't tell whether it's a range day or not. But basically, I fast forwarded and we got this as second entry here. So let's go ahead and mark these highs real quick. I think Control F2, Control 2, Control F2, Alt F2. Yeah, Alt F2. My hotkeys on my mouse button is not working. I don't know why. I tried updating it. But anyway, we had a strong trend down. Two-legged pullback. People are going to be playing this. So going long here is what I think is best, actually. The 1 minute chart is insanely hard to read because it's just 3 bars. This entire thing that's going on. So this would be a 1 tick entry. Or maybe not. It's not really a trend. But people are playing that as a let's just see. It's two-legged pullback, a strong trend. All right, we got the scalp, easy peasy. As well as the runner. And that would be it for the day, essentially. So the reason we took that is because people were playing that trend right there. And the 1 minute chart is not giving us much. I mean, that's all it gave us. It's really hard to say, you know. But That's why we're trading the tick chart, so we can have a little bit more of an understanding. So I think the best strategy right now is to just trade from 7 a.m. to about 10:30, or even till 9, 11 a.m. at most, latest. And so, because after 11 a.m. or even after 10:30, the market gets really hard to read. It doesn't behave as normal for some reason. I'm not sure why. Steven Dux does the same thing, and I've noticed that my strategy doesn't work as well as after like 10:30, 10:45, 11 a.m. Something has to do with volatility, just too many people, which is kind of contradicting, or kind of not contradicting, but you would imagine there'd be more people from at open. But anyway, yeah. Test. How's the mic sounding? Test. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna do my best to try not to pause. Let's see if we can actually trade this thing. Well, not pause the market. I'll pause the recording. The 1 minute chart is absolutely insane. Still, as you can see. Yeah, I think I want to mark up the lows and highs of this thing. I think that's the highs, right? Sorta. It's all the way up here too. But anyway. Alright, we have a new swing high. Let's see if we'll get a second entry. Now we got a second entry. Market's gonna pull down. People might be playing this. I think people are going to be shorting here, trying to push the market. So people were playing this most recent trend. Then you had a trend up, then the spill. I think people are trying to push the market back to the other side. What is a? Let me try. I think people might be buying. No signal bar yet. Didn't break lower. At any point this pushes up here, we cannot enter this trade. And it looks like it's about to. Yep. So no entry for us, which is more than okay, because that was very difficult to read. But now we have a swing low. Might get a first entry here. There it is, just by the tick. And then the price is going to pull back. Now there's going to be a second entry short. People might be still be playing that entry going short. Let's go and maximize this so we can have a better view of what's going on. That's your second entry. Stop. Okay. I was a little distracted marking up over here. We have swing low, first entry, second entry, and I think people might be actually trying to short this thing still, but also at the same time feel like people are trying to push the market back into the other direction. But we have lower highs and higher lows. It's becoming that closing triangle. But the fact that we have these strong moves and then trends in the other direction, I'm trying to figure out what people are trying to do. I think people are still trying to short this thing, go long. The spike was down, so people might be trying to short this thing. I already corrected. Working up, swing off first entry, second entry. I think people are trying to go long, actually. Man, this is a tough one. Actually, we reached the top of this thing, so I think people might actually be shorting, which makes me want to go long. It's not necessarily a spike, so we're going to enter on a non-obvious. So we still would not be in the trade. So we're going to buy right here, and let's go ahead and see how this works out. Actually, your entrance is right here, and we missed it. Why did I put it there? So you would have got it. You would have got in just by a tick, and you would have got the scalp. Easy. So right there, 3 points out, right there. That would have been the easiest trade. The reason we wanted to go long is because you just came off the highs right here. on the 1 minute chart, you can see it being tested there, and then once again on this bar, and again on this bar. And people are gonna use that to go short. This is why you want it to go long on a scuff trade, and you would do a 4-tick entry because it's not really a spike on a 1-ticker. Yeah, that would have been a really good trade because it just came in by the tick just enough to fill you, and you would have got the scalp and probably the runner as well. So yeah, let's try to do 3-4 trades, and then we'll just call it. Or maybe trade until, okay, we got a second entry here. I think people are still trying to go long here. They're trying to stop out the people. Oh no, we should enter on unobvious. Let's go ahead and close here actually. The reason we want to close, where is G? Close. Alright, the reason a non-obvious, because there's no obvious entry. It's not an uptrend, it's straight sideways. So if we were going short, we have to do it on a non-obvious, so it would be 50, which is right here. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. It looks like people are going to try to buy this and try to push the market. Oh, so 1 ticker would have worked for sure already. And oh, I didn't even notice the swing low first entry, second entry. Oh, actually we can still enter this. Can we? We would enter on a non-obvious. Our entry, I don't know if I want to buy here. No, actually, yeah, buying here is the best option because we just came off the highs and people are going to try to sell this back to the other side, coming off those highs. Entry would be at a here, so right here, exactly where it is right now, and we're going to buy here. Yep, let's give this a shot. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Oh, it's pushing back to the other side. I thought for sure that when prices started, people were going to sell here. But it looks like everybody's just trying to push the market out of this like little, oh my gosh, what is going on? Little area of, whatchamacallit. People are trying to buy this thing up. Yeah, you also had this trend working up here, higher lows. Yeah, that's all right. So you had the strong trends up, and that's why people were trying to go long, and shorting there was actually the better option. People wanted to stop these people out essentially. It's not necessarily a range day quite yet, but now we got a second entry working here that pushes lower, and that's our second entry right there. So we can imagine a lot of people going long here, which is why we want to go short on a non-obvious. Let's see if we can do this without stopping. Right there, bada bing bada boom, right? Yep, this should work out because we want to sell here because we know a lot of people are going to be buying here, and we're going to enter on a non-obvious simply due to the fact that it's not an obvious entry. And it looks like nothing yet, but this is now our signal bar here. People like to trade back into the ranges, so I'm gonna go ahead and move this down, and now that's our signal bar, and people are gonna pick the bottom of this spike, and now we just enter on 1 ticker. Oh gosh, come on, that was a little off. Let's make this fair. That was 2 ticks lower. All right, that's fair enough. All right, swing high first entry, second entry. You know what, actually, now that I'm looking at the 1 minute chart, this doesn't match the 1 minute chart. This is the 1 minute chart, and that shifted into this, you know, like into these guys. So maybe okay to trade this in the morning, but as soon as 1 minute hit, look at the volatility on these bars. That's gonna make us want to do some go on these instead, because you had a swing high, first entry, second entry, and actually that pretty much is almost close to this swing high, first entry, second entry right there. So the 950 tick chart is probably what we're going to be trading. Let's see if we can make up for it. But we had a swing low, first entry, second entry, buying right there. Or maybe a non-obvious. Yeah, that worked. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what we got. No new high yet. And the same thing as the 1 minute chart. We're not trying to match it, but essentially we want to be at least close to what's going on in the 1 minute chart. Because that's where a lot of people are trading. But we just trade the tick chart just because. Haven't found out the reason why. I have a slight idea, just because there's more setups, the bars look better, trends show up more. Yeah, it's easier to read essentially. All right, this is the second entry. If we call this as a double top, which I think I want to, and I think a lot of people are going to end up going long here, which makes me want to go ahead and go short, because people love to pick the tops and bottoms of these things. Oh, wait, pause. There. That's better. Okay. No matching lows yet. Might get in the trade. No. This is still our signal bar. Alright, this is still our signal bar. Do not move that guy. Keep that where it is. This is now our signal bar right here, so we can move this. If it breaks higher right there, of course we could take that. And we got in the trade on that bar too. Interesting. Let's see if we can go ahead and short this thing. Alright, I've been talking and not recording, but we got this second entry right here. But there's a strong trend here. I think enough people might actually be going long. Back to the other side. Let's go ahead and see. You know what? No, it's a slight downtrend. We could change our mind right now. Let's stick with it. Yeah, we should have bought right there because it's a downtrend. And I was thinking they were trying to stop it, but you have to look at this as a range day, because we've been on this downtrend. People are going to try to take that second entry short. Yeah, so buying there on a scuff trade would have been the best option. I think a lot of people are going short here because we've been in this downtrend and it's did a little bit pretty decent sized pullback for people to go short here. And we'll enter on a non-obvious actually. Yeah, somewhere around there, right? Yep. Okay. Alright. Oh, one tick away. Do we want to still stay in this trade? No. We already did the pullback and it looks like prices are working up now. Yeah. That's unfortunate. Alright, I think prices might keep going down. I'm a little worried. I mean, people think prices are going to keep going down, and I think people are going to go long here. I mean, go short here. Nice. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. That's all we're looking for. All right, so we sold there on a non-obvious because on a obvious because I thought it was a non-obvious because it pulled out like this. It looked like it. Anyway, but on an obvious, it's your first opportunity to enter this thing, and we can assume a lot of people were going long, trying to push the market up and stop these people out. Did that happen? Oh, maybe not. It's actually super difficult to tell. I think he came to the tick. But yeah, that's the reason. I think people will want to sell here. I mean buy here, because he had this uptrend here, and there's on the 1 minute chart we have a strong uptrend here, and to catch this, we kind of already broke out of this like level of support right here at this point. So pushing on up there, I think people are gonna go and try to go long to come back all the way to like the highs over here. Yeah, to the high of the day. Actually, I think a lot of people might be selling as well. I think buying here might be the better option according to this. There's that. No, I think we're okay here. I think people are still trying to buy because they're trying to use this trend as well, uptrend that we had all day, and that spike. And I think, I think I want to take a non-obvious, just because we have like a side trend thing going. How does that keep happening? What am I clicking? I have no idea. All right, it's still your first opportunity to go long, but I think a lot of people are selling now, and we came up into these highs here. It's an uptrend though, not so much a range day. Yeah, let's go ahead and carry this one ticker through. Swing high, first entry, second entry. It's an uptrend still, and here we go. Ooh, not even close. I mean, super close. I mean, let's see if we get in this trade. No, don't keep going down, friend. There's the trade, and yeah, so it was a strong downtrend. Looked like everybody was selling there. Man, how are we ever gonna trade live, bro? I thought we had it. Like, for real, It looks like prices were trying to correct this on the minute chart. So everybody was shorting here as well. I'm a little tired. I guess I was just basing my decision off of tiredness. So buying there was a better option, without a doubt. Alright, here's a second entry. I think enough people might be trying to go long here. We got strong trends down, so this would be a non-obvious sell. I still think a lot of people are trying to go long. It's been on an uptrend, and yeah, it's been on this uptrend, so I think enough people are still trying to go long. I'm gonna go ahead and go short here. Nice, that shroud click though, right on the spot. All right, we're leaving our order where it is. That's 3 points from the, not this signal bar, but this one, since it broke lower, broke higher there. I'm just worried that once it starts moving into this direction, it won't stop going. Oh no, don't go without us. Sticking on the trade, we're sticking with the trade. So one ticker looks like it would have worked. And just no opportunity or no reason to enter on a one ticker there. Here's a second entry short. Swing low, first entry, second entry. I think a lot of buying is going on. I think I want to short this one actually. I'm just worried that we're so close to these that it'll just bounce and push right back up. Yeah, I don't want to enter on that. And that would have been the entry. Yeah, you would have got stopped up. Alright, we got a second entry short here. I think there are actually going to be a lot of shorts coming in here because you've been on this downtrend, came off the highs of this range looking thing. Yeah, we can imagine a lot of sales coming in here. trying to push the market back to these lows down here. So let's go ahead and see if we could get the scalp on this guy. All right, we're in the trade. Nice, nice, good trade. That's all we need, man. That's all we need. Even though I think a sell over there would have been a lot better. But we just capitalize on those guys. I could have pulled back a lot further before continuing down. I think the sell, the buy there was the best option. Because I still think it's going to push on up here. Like right now. Push, yep. See. Oh, no second entry yet. It broke higher first. Now we got a second entry. So this is a second entry long. Prices really look sideways here. We can imagine people are still trying to go short. Back to the other side over here now. So going long here is actually the best option, I think. Yeah. So they're going to use this to try and step up everybody who went long here. So we're going to go long. Hopefully it doesn't come up too soon. Yeah, I think this is going to be a good trade. 2 strong legs down. We want to stop these people out. Let's see. Let's just fast forward this a little bit. Oh, it looks like it stops them out. Okay, now question is to buy or to sell. I think to sell, because people are going to pick this top and they like to trade back into these little ranges or the last level of support / resistance. And that is a good level of support right there. You can see across the board there. Across the board. Yeah, we want to sell here. It's just that we might be joining all these people going short with these strong spikes. But no, I think there's a lot of bottom picking going on here actually. Yeah, I genuinely believe that, but we'll see. Trying to learn this market, man. Okay, I think the bottom picking is about to come in here. It might have pushed down a little bit too far actually. I think I actually want to buy here and bottom pick myself. The reason why is because I think a lot of people are starting to see that this market has just got a strong downtrend. And I think a lot of people are going to start selling. I think there's going to be some bottom picking. Oh no, it's pushing on further. It's getting close to 11, which is super difficult to read. Alright, there's the order. There's the bottom picking. Yeah, I think we got this. Nice. Can we go back to the bottom, please? I think we might drop out of this thing. We're going to leave that right there. Let's see if we can get our money back. We'll just move this up a little. Just a tad bit. Just right there, you know? Just in case of slippage. Oh. Okay. Nice. We hit our goal. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That was good. That was a good runner. I think that's the biggest runner we've ever had. Man, that's a lot of points. That was 30-point runner. Boy. Alright, I stepped away, but looks like there's not many trades. That was our last trade, not really any setups. Swing low. Yeah, except for this guy right here. Perfect timing. Swing low first entry, so that means we have to get this. So people like to trade back into it and try to trade back to the other side. However, there is a strong downtrend going on here. I think people are calling bottoms though. I think I want to sell here. Do we want to sell here? I think a lot of people are selling. Yeah, this is a strong downtrend. I think people are selling. I just don't want to join all these people going long here. People don't have a reason to go short. I think that's the reason I want to go short. Because everybody's going to go long. There's a ton of reasons to go long. You have the spike there. You just broke out. People want to trade back into the range. Yeah, I think I want to sell here. I just think it's a strong downtrend though. You know what? We're going to stick with this. That was a strong spike up. I kind of like where the 1 tick entry is, but we'll see. 1 minute chart entry is. Alright, this is it, boys. Here we go, the moment of truth. And we got triggered in. A little bit late. That's alright. Nice. Let's move that stop to the correct spot. Give me a tick. Alright. Try to get an extra tick, but a little slippage. Nice. Good sell there. Good sell. Looks like actually the scuff trade would have been a little bit of a better trade. Yes, sorry. Yeah, scuff trade would have been the better option. But we got lucky with that one. We're in the green though. Scuff trade would have been the right trade because everybody's going short here. You got a strong trend. I said no, there would be no reason to short, but you have that strong downtrend again, and you broke through that level of support pretty dang easily. Maybe a little bit of congestion, but then it broke through. That's gonna net a strong spike, so that gives a lot of clearance for people who are trying to fool the people who are going long. So it makes them think that it fools people that the market's going long, but it doesn't make them think that it's going to keep going long because it's just a spike, and so they're going to go short, and that's why a scuff trade works out well. But the short worked out okay. That was okay. That was alright. You got it. Alright, here's another second entry short. And I think actually going short here is the better option. Because now prices look like they're coming back into... Actually, this was 5 a.m. Do we want to carry on with that? No, I think people are still going short. People are not going to be using this as a reference anymore, since we broke out of it already. Yeah, I want to buy here. Because I still think people are still trying to short this. Yeah, I think a lot of people are still trying to short this thing. Let's go ahead and see if we were right. 115, 90, 83. Don't. Oh, I thought I was going to fill our order a little bit too early. 5, 6 left. Alright, we just got into trade. Come on, pull back more. Pull back. No. There you go. Oh. So selling there was the better option. Yeah, we should have sold that. It looks like people were still... I just decided for them that they were not going to be using that. But obviously they end up using it. But now we have a second entry in this direction. Scuff trade time. First opportunity to enter this going in this direction. 2 strong spikes. Let's go on a non-obvious. Simply due to the fact it's not a strong trend just yet. Okay, I think buy here is the best option because now people are going to use this entire market to go and use an excuse to stop these people out, especially after a spike like that. On the 1 minute chart, it's a huge spill, as you can see right here. That's just 1 bar of spillage. Is that a word, spillage? It looks like it stopped already. Oh, it came close. Yeah, it stopped these guys out already. So I think I'm gonna buy here. See if we could get it. Right here. Oh, nope. It's racing. It's racing towards their stops. Everybody's gonna use this. Looks like it might just go ahead and stop them all out. And people will see it as well, and I think we got this easy. Ooh, that's all we needed though. That's all we needed. So once again, people are trying to stop the people who have one long here and have their stops here, and they were going to use all this as well as that drop right there to have evidence that we're going to stop them out. And it looks like enough people got stopped out there for us to get our scalp. Looks like a scuff trade going short would have been the better trade. So the reason you would want to go short, that was a tough one. I thought for sure everybody would go long there, but wow, I was okay with our position actually. Yeah, I was okay with it. Because that's more guaranteed than the spillage, actually. This is more guaranteed to happen instead of this. Because this could have came up here, congested, came up, then stopped them out. But we knew that for a fact that that was going to happen. Just because everybody was going to start to sell and try to stop these guys out. So then the bounce happened, then people started selling, buying again, and that's what pushed the market on down. We got a new swing high here. Here's our signal bar. Matching lows. Let's go ahead and take a position. We got 156 left. So we're at a whole new low here. There could be some bottom picking going on. It's a strong downtrend. Unless we were trying to reverse the market, I would say sell here. What do we see? What do we see? Not much. But I do want to do a scuff trade. I don't know if you can hear that song in the music. Song in the background. But I love it. It's from Pocoyo. It's so like nice sounding. Okay. Here we go. Push up, push up, push up, push up. More, 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 more. Come on, come on up, come on up, friend. There you go. Oh, to the check. There you go. Now just drop. Oh, not that way. Once again, after 11 a.m., yeah, market becomes a pretty dang unpredictable, but we can't use that as an excuse. It's like buying there was actually the best option. Well, of course, because you've been on the strong downtrend. Of course, everybody's going to go short. And the market wanted to stop these people out. As you can see. Oh, wait. Ah, so that's what happens. It thinks I'm on this thing. Ah, gotcha, gotcha. So clicking here. Oh, what the? Still happened. I don't know. But yeah, it wanted to stop these people out. So that's unfortunate. Here's your first opportunity to finally go short. But it's also a strong spike up. But I think enough people are going to short this thing. It's only a couple bars, so we have to do a non-obvious, which I very much like. All right, here it comes. Yes, what? Why are your hands wet and cold? I'm coming. ¿Qué quieres? All right, just became a spike. We might get entered here on this trade, or in this bar. I mean, maybe not. Most likely not. Or maybe. Oh. Oh. Alright. Looks like everybody's going to be buying here now. Actually, we could suspect a lot of sells coming in. Oh man. This market is moving. 1202. I already had a bunch of corrections on the 1 minute chart, which makes me think, I mean, a bunch of swing lows. Jesus. I think everybody's buying here, to be honest, but I think there's a lot of top picking going on as well. So we're going to go ahead and stick with this. Alright. Here we go. Moment of truth, friends. Just kidding. Oh. Here we go. Nope. Tail the tick. And we would have got the scalp. Oh, that's unfortunate. Is that the most generic move ever, or what? What is this? What is this? What in the world is that? Come on, dude. That is the most generic thing I've ever seen. Man, I almost want to switch to the 1 minute chart, because look at this, man. There's a bunch of swings here. Swing high, first entry. Short right there. Bam. First opportunity. Boom. Let's see what would happen if we entered a scuff trade on the 1 minute. So, our entry would be in a different spot. Wait, no. Where's the one that we got stopped out on? Right here. Looks about the same. Actually, swing high, first entry. They're telling me it happened right here. Scuff trade right here. Easy. This would have been it right there. Are we switching to the 1 minute chart? Oh man, is that going to be more testing? Oh my goodness. No, definitely not. I mean, how you going to trade this, boy? How you going to trade that? Tell me how you're going to trade that. Oh, we switched here. Switching tick charts to compensate for the 1 minute chart to match up with the 1 minute chart. I like that idea, actually. Alright, now we're on the 450. 400. First opportunity is this guy. Let's go ahead and... Ooh. Why is it in a different spot? Hello? That's the 700. Why is that the 700? Hello? Is that the 400? Why is that the 400? Okay. Oh, it looks like it already happened right there. Looks like the bars are just a bit too massive for me on this guy. So switching to here to match up with the 1 minute chart, I think is pretty much okay. Getting close to the 1 minute chart, I think, is the best idea. But sticking on the tick chart, I don't know, something's just different about it, you know? So I'm gonna stick with it. No new swing low, unfortunately, but not even a new swing high. There it is. Okay. Swing high. Swing high. Juntao. Right. It looks like it would have worked already. 1 tick entry. Swing high, first entry, second entry was right there. Unfortunately, we missed it. Yeah, easy. Easy trade. Just fast forwarding a bit too fast. Let's keep going. Ugh. There it is. New swing low. New swing high. Give us something. Alright, so it looks like we have a double top here, so we want to buy. Because people love to pick those tops. It's 1 o'clock as well. Just give us some sort of entry here. Break higher, break lower, go. Alright, might break higher here. And then we do a scuff trade right here if it breaks higher. Come on, dude. Push on up. Push, push, push. There you go. There you go, friend. Just like that. Yeah, happy little friend. I'm Bob Ross. Oh, God. Almost got filled on that order. Alright, looks like we might get filled somewhere here. Let's go and just fast forward this. Bada bing, bada boom. Come on, don't go. Don't go without us. There you go. Get that scalp. Get that scalp. It's a double top with the lower high. Come on. Just give us that. Give us. No. Yes. Can we stop these guys out, please? That'd be nice. Oh, no. It looks like we already... well, that's alright. We'll leave that right there. But anyway, we had double top here. Then lower high right there. Bunch of people going short off of that. Yeah, works out well. Just enough. Scuff trade in either direction would have worked. Could have took it. Swing high first entry, second entry. A ton of people going long trying to stop the people who got on the double top. Oh, that's an interesting one for you. If we could go positive here, we just need a good runner going, or two trades before 2 o'clock. Come on, new swing low. Give us something. That was technically a new swing high. Okay, got something. Got something. Alright, we can imagine a lot of people going short. We're going to go on a scuff trade here. Once the prices start to break lower, a ton of people are going to start going short, and people already want to go short. So, buying right there. I would like to have our trade in more of the middle area. Let's go ahead and move it up right there. Let's see. Let's see. It keeps pushing up. So the reason it pushes up like that, because if you take a look at the minute chart, look what happens here. Look what happens here. Swing low first entry. People entered right there shorting. Boom, pushed up. Same trades. I think I like the 1 minute chart. Let's take one trade. It couldn't hurt that bad, right? Couldn't hurt that bad. Behaving pretty normally. Dang, is there any traders who switch from minute to tick? Oh, a hybrid trader. I like that idea. But that does seem kind of unstable to be like, oh, he doesn't know where he's going. Alright, here's their second entry. People like to trade back into these, so buying here is actually a better option. It's just a huge spike. Did we break out of it already? We did. We tried to trade back already. It's your first opportunity to go long. I think if we let's short this on a it's your first opportunity though. I don't like the 1 minute chart. Let's just go back to safety. Or safety over here. Swing high first entry. Oh, it's the same thing. No, I think people are going to short this for results because it's a spike and people like to trade those spikes, especially after breaking out of like a level of support. Let's go. Let's get a good runner. Come on. Give us a good runner. A good runner. Let's get to the top of this tang like we've been waiting. Oh wait, we were positive. Let's just go green. No. 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 Let's go. No. Let's go. Come on, no. No. F's in the chats, boys. Oh, by the tick, huh? Come on, let's go green. Let's see if we can hit green here. Hit green. A lot easier to trade now. Oh man, so much easier than this. I mean, come on, man. Match up with that 1 minute chart. That's the best strategy, I think. We found it, boys. Oh, okay, swing. Oh, no, double tap. Come on, 20 minutes left in this thing. How long is our video? I don't even know. Let's check OBS real quick. 50 minutes. Damn, it's a long video. Okay, let's try to finish this up. There's the first entry. Come on, give us a second entry. Oh. Swing low, though. Swing low, though. Swing low, do swing high, do. Oh, 15 minutes left in the day. What are you gonna do? Pray? Yeah. Alright. Let's go, boys. Alright, we can imagine a ton of people picking tops now. We just traded out of this for the very first time. It's not a spike, though. So we're gonna have to do this as a non-obvious. So 75 is right there. Yeah, I like that. Yep. Man, I thought for sure that was gonna work. We just broke out of that support. I don't understand. Oh wait, did we already break out? No, we didn't. That was our first time. What happened? I was talking about this resistance. Level of resistance. We never broke out of it till right there. People like to trade back into it, and it looks like the price is actually traded back down. Well, we've been on this uptrend. I mean, come on. Come on. Alright, calling it. At least next video is going to be us trading this day again. Probably not today. I'm a little tired. I want to play some PUBG. But that's going to be it. This was December 12th, I think it was, right? Yeah. Alright, that's going to be it for your boy. Might trade again. But yeah.